Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily check your AdBlue level on a Jaguar XE. AdBlue, also known as diesel exhaust fluid, is crucial for your vehicle's emissions system. Maintaining proper levels is vital because if your AdBlue tank runs empty, your car will not restart once the engine is switched off. This simple check helps you avoid inconvenient situations and ensures your Jaguar runs smoothly. To begin, ensure your smart key is inside the vehicle. Press the start-stop button once without pressing the brake pedal to turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the OK button and arrow controls on your steering wheel. Use these to navigate through the main menu on your instrument panel. Scroll down until you find and select Vehicle Information. Once in Vehicle Information, scroll down further to locate either diesel exhaust fluid or, on some models, next service. Select this option to view your AdBlue status. The display will then show you the estimated remaining range in miles until your AdBlue tank is empty. This is not a precise gauge, but rather a helpful countdown based on your driving style. Your Jaguar will display a series of warnings as the AdBlue level decreases, starting with an advisory message and progressing to an amber warning. It is highly recommended to top up your AdBlue before the remaining range falls below 500 miles. The AdBlue tank in a Jaguar XE typically holds about 17 liters. Average consumption is roughly 1 liter for every 500 to 1,000 miles, depending on driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.